Having your home sweltering in the summer heat or freezing in the winter cold can be a nightmare. Reliable heating and air conditioning is a must, and you need a company you can trust. Here is what one of our customers said about the 5-star experience they had from our team.
I had a replacement HVAC system installation. I am very happy with the system. He explained the entire process, what would be going on. No surprises or extra fees. The crew was neat. I am very happy with the service and HVAC system.
Get emergency assistance to restore your heating and air conditioning. Or get a quick no-obligation quote from our team about your system. Get fast service with a smile. At our company, we know urgency and affordability are paramount. Simply call us or go to our website to book your free estimate. Our team is here to deliver quality and service you can count on.